Hello everyone, I'm Florence. Today we will be learning about arithmetic mean under averages. Averages is one of the measures of central tendency. According to A.L. Bowley, averages are statistical constants which enable us to comprehend in a single effort the significance of the whole. Now here the first measure was the averages, and average gives us the gist of the unwieldy numerical data. So the entire huge mass of data, numerical data, we can find on an average, which will give us the gist of the entire data which is being given. There are various measures of central tendency: arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean are few of the measures of central tendency. Summation plays a very important role while calculating the arithmetic mean. This is a Greek alphabet, capital sigma. In mathematics, we make use of sigma to denote the sum of the values. N denotes the number of observations. Summation x denotes sum of all the observations. Summation x denotes the total frequency. We will learn today in today's lecture regarding the raw data, how to calculate arithmetic mean for raw data, for discrete data, and for continuous data. In raw data, the arithmetic mean is calculated by formula x bar equals to summation x upon n, where n stands for number of observations and summation x is addition of all the observations. Discrete data, the formula is x bar equals to summation fx upon summation f, where f is the frequency and x is the discrete value given to us in the table. Continuous data, the formula x bar equals to summation fx upon summation f, where f stands for frequency and x is the midpoint of the class interval. Since it is continuous data, we get a class interval will be given to us. We can find the value of x can be taken as the mid value of the corresponding class. Let us find for the first raw data. Let us see the steps. Say suppose we have n number of observations. Add all the observations and find the mean. The mean is sum of the observations upon number of observations. That is x bar is summation x by n. Let us see example. Find arithmetic mean for the observations given. So our formula states that mean is sum of the observations upon number of observations. Adding all the values which are given to us, we get 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 plus 24 plus 28 upon, there are 6 observations given, so it is divided by 6. So adding all the numbers upon 6 gives us 90 divided by 6, the value is 50. So the mean value is 50. That is, and mean is denoted by x bar. Let us see the next problem. Some IQ intelligence quotients of 10 boys are given in a class. Find the mean IQ. Formula is add all x divided by n. Here we have the 10 observations. So adding all these observations and dividing by 10 will give us the mean. So the value of mean is 97.2. Mean is denoted by x bar. Moving on to the next, discrete data. Discrete data has the values of x and f. So we have the value as x and f will be given to us. X are the single values which will be having discrete values. Okay. So say for example, discrete values are single values 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, and the frequency is how many times this number has repeated. Let us see the steps to solve it. Find f into x. So given x and f, you are supposed to form one more column and find the value of f into x. So this value we are supposed to find out, f into x. Find summation of fx and summation of f. That is, adding these three values you get summation fx, adding these three values you get summation f. So once you get summation fx and summation f, then our formula is, applied in the formula, x bar equals to summation fx upon summation f. So this will give you the mean. Let us see an example. Find the mean for the following data: weight of the students and number of students. X and F are given. Weight of the students we consider it as X. So we'll find F into X, that is 30 into 6, 35 into 8, 40 into 10. Multiplying these two columns, we get these values: 180, 280, 400, 225 and 350. Adding all these values will give you summation fx. So adding these values we get summation fx. Then our next step says that apply the formula mean f summation fx upon summation f. So this will give you the value as 1435 divided by 36, which is 39.86. Let us go to the next, where we have a continuous data. In a continuous data, the class interval is 0 to 10. We do not have any x value here. So you are supposed to find the value of x and then one more column, which is f into x. We can get the value of x by finding the midpoint of the class interval. So let us see the steps. Find the value of x. Find the value of x is the midpoint of the class interval. Find f into x. Okay, this is the second point. Then summation f. Apply the formula. Same formula remains the same, summation fx upon summation f. Then find the mean of given marks and number of students. So first we'll find the value of x, which is midpoint of this x is the midpoint of your class interval. So 0 to 10, the midpoint, we get it as 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Then find f into x. Multiply these two columns, f and x. Multiplying these two, we get these values. Add all these values, we get summation f. So finally, x bar is summation fx upon summation f, which is 670 divided by 22, that is 30.4545. Okay. Hope all of you have understood. The reference Textbook which was considered. Reference book was Fundamentals of Statistics by S.C. Gupta. Examples are taken from this reference book. Thank you.